I just made some of the most insanely viral animated videos on YouTube using only AI tools. And what's even more mind-blowing, these videos are in a niche that's quietly exploding overnight. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I made these viral videos from start to finish. But before we dive into the video, here's why this niche is the perfect opportunity to start right now. While digging through new content ideas, I came across a channel that absolutely blew my mind. With just 31 videos, this creator has gained over 400,000 subscribers and pulled in nearly 10 million views. Crazy, right? But here's the real kicker. Every single video is made entirely using AI. And even crazier, the channel is already fully monetized and has earned around $20,000 from AdSense alone. Oh, and those videos? They take less than 5 minutes to create. That's exactly why in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create videos just like these, using only AI tools. But we're not stopping at shorts. I'm also going to show you how to make long-form videos in this exact same niche. Why? Because this niche is still so new. I couldn't find a single long-form video in it, which means there's almost no competition. And if you start posting now, you'll get a massive head start and a way better shot at going viral. Here's how I'm going to break it down. First, I'll show you how to create short-form videos that are even better than the ones blowing up right now. Then in part 2, I'll guide you through how to make long-form content using only free AI tools, so you can start right away without spending a single dollar. Alright, let's start with the first part of the video, which is short-form video creation. Now listen, for a video to go viral, the most important thing is the script. And the only proven way to create a script that actually works is to copy a script that another creator has used to go viral, and then use it to create your own original script. Alright, let's start with part 1 of the video, how to create viral short-form videos using AI. Now listen closely. To do that, open a channel that has had good results. For example, this one. Then open the most popular videos on that channel. Now open a video that has a good amount of views. And here, click on the share button, then copy the video link. And just like that, you are ready for the next step. Now we need to transcribe the original video. And to do that, we will use a free tool called NotiGPT. You are in simply paste the link into the link box and click Get Video Transcript. And in just a few seconds, you will have the full video script exported. Okay, now that the script is ready, simply copy it from here, and let's head over to create our own original script. And to do that, we will use ChatGPT. So go ahead and open it here. Paste the script that you have copied, alright? To create an original script, you need to ask ChatGPT to analyze the whole script that you have pasted, and then rewrite a completely original version of it using the same style. You can find all of the prompts that I will be using in this video in my Telegram channel linked below, so feel free to use the same prompts for the best results. Now just click Generate, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a full analysis of the script, including the hook, the storyline, and everything else. And also it will give you an original script that has all of the viral elements included in it. And just like that, you are ready to create your first video. To create the video, I have found the perfect AI tool, which is called Vexub. So go ahead and open it. Once you are in, you will find the Create a Video button. So click on it, and now watch closely. With this tool, you can create a video using only an MP3 file. You can also generate a video from another video, and you can also create fake text videos. But for our video, we need to use the text to video option. So select it, and click on the Go to Step 2 button. As you can see here, you will have the option to create a vertical video and a horizontal video. But for our video, which is a short-form video, choose the vertical video template. And let's head over to the next step. Here, you will have the option to include a pre-made narrator into your video. But since we don't need it, set it as blank. Below that, you'll find many voices that you can use. And trust me, they all sound great. But I really like how Marcus sounds, so I'll use that one. Alright, once you've selected everything, let's head over to the next step. In this menu, we'll need to set up our video script. But this tool also has a great option that lets you generate a script based on the topic you type in the prompt box. Or if you don't have ideas, you can simply click Inspire Me, and it will give you a pretty good video topic. But since we've made our own original script, let's go ahead and import it. Now head over to ChatGPT and copy the full video script that you've created. Then head back into Vexub and paste the script into the script section below. And just like that, you're done. Now in step 5, you'll have many image styles to choose from. Basically, with this tool, you can create a video in any niche you want by selecting different image styles. But for our video, we'll use the Pixar style as it matches our video type perfectly. All right, now that everything is ready, simply click on the Start Generation button. And just like that, the generation process will begin. This will take around a few minutes, and once it's done, boom! You've just created your first animated video. Now watch closely. All right, now your video is finally ready, so the last step you need to do is to export it. And to do that, just click on the Export button in the top right corner. And just like that, your video will be exported. Now let's see how the video came out.
0 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds. There was a guy named Noah whose best friend Eli had to move 2 towns over and transfer schools. Noah kept texting, calling, trying to keep the bond alive. But Eli's replies got shorter, colder. For his 18th birthday,
This is just a small sample of the full video, so we don't waste any time, but as you can see, the video looks pretty good, and it was very easy to create. Now let's start with the second part of the video, which is long-form video creation. Now just like before, we will start with the video script, but since we need a longer version of it, we will add a few small changes in the prompt. First, open ChatGPT and copy the original video script that you have transcribed, then open a new chat and paste it into the prompt box below it. As before, ask ChatGPT to create an original script based on the one you have included, but make sure to use the exact prompt I'm using since it's customized for a bigger script. And also you can include the video length in it as well. Now just click Generate, and as easy as that, you have just created the perfect script for your video. Now that you have the script, let's create a voiceover. To do that, we will use 11 Labs, so go ahead and open it. Once you are in, let's start with the voice itself. On the right side, you can find many voices that you can use, but I will use the health news narrator since it really matches the video we are creating. And as for the settings, keep everything the same. Now head over to ChatGPT and copy the full script that you have just made. Then head back into 11 Labs and paste the script into the script section. And after that, just click Generate Speech. This process will take around a minute to finish. And once the voiceover is ready, simply download it by clicking on the download button on the right side. And now you are ready for the next step. In this step, you need to create the image prompts that you will use to create the visuals. And to do that, ask ChatGPT to give you a list of image prompts that will perfectly represent your video script from start to finish. Then click Generate. And just like that, you will have the perfect image prompts that are ready to use. Now to generate the visuals, we will use Leonardo AI. So go ahead and open it. On the left side, you will find the image creation menu. So open it. To start off, make sure to set the preset as Leonardo Phoenix for the best results. Then make sure to set the image dimensions as 16:9. And just like that, everything is set. Now head over to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt you have made. Then head back to Leonardo AI and paste it into the prompt box. Then click Generate. This process will take around a few seconds. And once it's done, as you can see, we have created the first images for our video, and they look pretty good. All right, now copy the second image, prompt from ChatGPT, then paste it into Leonardo AI. And after a few seconds, we have just created the second visual for our video, and it was pretty easy. Now in the same way, you need to generate all of the images for your video. And just to save time, as you can see, I have already done that using all of the prompts. The only thing you need to do now is to download one image of each generation batch. And just like that, you are finally ready to edit your video. To do that, we will use CapCut. Once you are in, the first thing you need to do is import everything that you have made so far. Once that's done, let's start by dragging the voiceover into the editing section below. After that, you need to add the images into the editing section. But I will start with only a few images so that it's easier for you to follow up. Okay, once you have the images ready, watch closely. You need to listen to the voiceover and shorten or extend the images so that they match the voiceover exactly. And you need to do this for all of your images and to save time. As you can see, I've already done this for the entire video. Now let's make the video better by adding some effects to the images. To do that, open the effect menu in the toolbar, and here open the motion effects. Here you need to find the 3D zoom effect. So once you find it, simply drag it down onto the first image. This will take a few seconds, and once it's done, as you can see, we have just added a motion to our image, making it a lot better. To make it even better, in the effects menu, search for an effect called play pendulum. Once you find it, Simply drag it down onto the same image below. And in the right side in the effect settings, set the strength to 10 and the twist to 0. And if we play the video now, you will see that it's much better right now. Now you need to do the same for all of the images. And to not waste any time, as you can see, I have applied the same effects to every single image in my video. Once you do the same, let's add some transitions to make it flow nicely. To do that, open the Transitions menu in the toolbar above. And here the EST free ones that you can use are the Fade transition, which looks pretty clean.
As you can see, and also you can use the Mix transition, which is also pretty good. To add the transitions, simply select a transition you like and drag it down between the images below. You can switch up different transitions for each scene, or if you don't want to do it manually, you can simply click on the Apply to All button on the right side, and the transitions will be applied throughout the entire video. Now we are missing an important part in the video, which is the captions. So let's add them. To do that, open the text menu and here open the auto captions option. And once you are here, just click generate. This will take a few seconds. And once it's done, as you can see, we have added the captions for the whole video. The captions that we have added are basic and look bad. So let's fix that. First, open the animation menu and here open the caption. Animations, you will find many templates to choose from, but I like how this one looks, so I will use it. After that, open the text options and in the font section, choose a font that you like, and I will use this one since it looks good. After that, just scale the text size to around 10, and just like that, the captions are ready. Now you can also download any no copyright background music and import it into CapCut. And once you do that, simply drag it down below the voice over into the editing bar. Next, select it, and on the right side, in the music settings, set the volume to around -10. Now if it doesn't cover the whole video, simply copy the background music and paste it until you reach the end of the video, and at the end just cut it to match the video duration. Now let's add the final touch. So watch closely. First, select all of the images and the captions. Once you do that, right click on the selected part and click on create compound clip. Once that's done, open the animation settings on the right side and add ½ second fade in. Then open the out animations and here add a ½ second fade out. Then select the first part of the background music and on the right side add a 1 second fade in. Then select the ending part of the music and add a 1 second fade out. And just like that, your video is finally ready. And the only thing you need to do is to export the video. To do that, click on the export button and here choose 4K, then set the bitrate to higher, and after choose 60 FPS and then finally click export. Now let's take a look at the video that we have created. This is just a short part of the video. You can see that the video we have made has a great storyline and is really good. And with that, you have literally everything you need to start your own Faceless channel. Remember, in order for this to work, you need to put in a lot of work and be consistent. And also, this is a brand new niche, so if you get in it right now, you will have a much bigger chance to succeed in it. So keep pushing and see you in the next